Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Abandoned Places Around the World.
Hi friends, in this video we have collected for you a collection of old, rusty, abandoned tractors around the world. A tractor is an engineering vehicle specially designed to provide high tractive effort or torque at low speeds for towing a trailer or equipment such as those used in agriculture, mining, or construction. Most often, this term is used to describe an agricultural vehicle that provides power and traction for the mechanization of agricultural tasks, especially and initially tillage. But nowadays, there are a wide variety of tasks. Agricultural implements can be towed or mounted on a tractor, and the tractor can also serve as a power source if the implement is mechanized. The first tractor-like machines appeared in 19th century and were steam-powered. So, back in 1850, the English inventor William Howard used a locomobile for ploughing. In the second half of the 19th century, about 2,000 of these machines were already in operation in the fields of Great Britain. In 1892, John Frohlich of Clayton County, Iowa, USA, invented, legalized, and built the first petroleum-powered tractor. The first steam caterpillar tractor in the world can probably be considered the invention of the Englishman John Gitkot, inventor of the industrial loom, in 1832, and the construction in 1837 of a working copy of a machine designed for ploughing and draining English swamps. In 1858, the American Warren Miller invented and built a caterpillar tractor, with which he participated in the agricultural exhibition of the city of Marysville, California, in 1858 and received an award for an original invention, patent from 1859 by Warren Miller. Neither Gitkot's invention nor Miller's tractor received further development. The first recognized practical caterpillar vehicle was the Lombard steam log hauler by inventor Alvin Orlando Lombard in 1901. In Russia, the first application for a crew with movable tracks, for a caterpillar tracks, was made in 1837 by a Russian peasant, later the staff captain of the Russian army, Dmitry Zagrashsky. Here is how he described his invention. Near each ordinary wheel on which the carriage rolls, there is an iron chain pulled by hexagonal wheels in front of the original one. The sides of the hexagonal wheels are equal to the chain links. This chain replaces the railroad, presenting the wheel with an always smooth and hard surface. From the certificate issued in March 1837. In 1896, Charles Hart and Charles Parr developed the two-cylinder gasoline engine. In 1903, the company built 15 tractors. The 6-ton number 3 is the oldest internal combustion engine tractor in the United States and is housed in the Smithsonian National Museum of American History in Washington, D.C. The gasoline two-cylinder engine had a completely unreliable ignition system and 30 horsepower from the engine and 18 liters from the traction device. The first practically usable was Dan Elborn's 1902 Ivell. three-wheeled tractor. About 500 of these light and powerful machines were built. In 1912, the German company Honemag begins to produce tractors. In the same year, Holt-Parr began producing Caterpillar tractors. This car was not Caterpillar tracked in the full sense of the word, since metal bands were worn only on the rear support wheels, and ordinary wheels were left in front of this car. In 1913, at the All-Russian exhibition in Kiev, where Holt was exhibited, Russian experts determined its inferiority. Holt Company took into account the instruction of Russian engineers and converted the tractor entirely to Caterpillar tracks in 1914-1915. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye bye.